Tired of website builders draining your wallet? Let's unlock the power of Wix and build a free website that lasts a lifetime. First, head to Wix.com and sign up for a free account. You'll need an email address and to create a secure password. Now choose a template. Wix offers a wide variety of professionally designed templates across various categories. Pick one that aligns with your website's purpose, but remember, you can always customize it later. This is the Wix Editor. It's a drag-and-drop interface, making it super easy to add text, images, videos, and more. Click on any element to edit its content, size, or position. Let's change the text. Click on the text box you want to modify, then type in your own content. You can also adjust the font, size, color, and alignment using the toolbar. Adding images is just as simple. Click the plus icon on the left sidebar, select image, and then upload your own photos or choose from Wix's free stock image library. Want to add contact forms, social media feeds, or a blog? Explore the Wix App Market. Many free apps can extend the functionality of your website. Keep in mind the free plan has limitations. Your website will have Wix ads, and you'll be using a Wix subdomain, like username, wixsite.com/site name. To remove ads and use a custom domain, you'll need to upgrade to a premium plan. But for a basic online presence, a free Wix website is a fantastic starting point. Explore the features, get creative, and build your web presence without spending a dime. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more website building tips.